Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Quest Academy. Today's question, we have a question from algebra. One equation is given, like value of a is given in terms of some value, and we have to find out value of one of the expressions which is given here. So let us see how to solve such a question. It is a complicated expression which we need to find out value. So we have been given a is equal to sum 1 plus root over 2009 divided by 2. Let us understand how to simplify such a question. So first what we will do, we will just multiply both sides by 2 so that we will have a term in terms of a and we try to remove this root over. So 2a will be equal to 1 plus root over 2009. My aim is to bring this to right hand side and this every other term to left hand side. So what we will do, 2a minus 1, this goes to the left hand side and we have a value of 2a minus 1 equal to root over 2009. Now what we do, we will square both the sides. Square both sides. The moment we square both the sides, what we will have is 2a minus 1 ka whole square equal to root 2009 ka whole square. Right? Let me shift it a bit here. So 2a minus 1 ka whole square is 2a ka whole square plus 2 into 2a and minus 1 plus minus 1 ka whole square. I have simply used formula of a plus b ka whole square is a square plus 2ab and b ka square. B for me is minus 1. So that way we are getting the question here. 2009 ka root over ka whole square means the root goes away and we will have 2009 as a value. This 2a ka whole square is 4a square. This is 4a into minus 1 and this is plus 1. This is 2009. Now 4a square minus of 4a is equal to 2009 minus 1. The 1 goes here, which is, so my 4a square minus 4a becomes 2008. If I take 4 as common, my a square minus a is 2008. In the next step, what we will do, we will just divide both the sides by 4 and we will find out a value here. So let me shift it a bit here. So let's divide both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4, what we get, a square minus a is 2008 divided by 4. So what we get, 502 as an right hand side. Now my a square becomes 502 plus a, right? So this value is a very important value which we will use to find out the value of the given expression. Okay, so this is my equation 1 which we will try to use. Now coming to this, a cube minus 4503 a minus 500. So let us find out the value of this equation under the bracket. So a cube minus 503a minus 500 can be written as a into a square minus 503a minus 500. Now a square for me is 502 plus a, so I can just substitute the value of 502 plus a here minus 503a minus 500. So when we open the bracket here, it becomes 502a plus a square minus 503a minus 500. So this becomes a square. 502a minus 503a gives me a square minus a minus 500. Now from here I can see that a square is nothing but 502 plus a. So let us substitute the value 502 plus a in place of a square. Now minus a minus 500 is already there. This will cancel out and we will have 502 minus 500 which is equal to 2. Now the moment we get a cube minus 503 a minus 500 equal to 2, I can substitute the value here which is 2 to the power 10. Now the expression becomes 2 to the power 10. My a cube minus 503 a minus 500 ka whole to the power 10 becomes 2 to the power 10 and my answer becomes 2 to the power 10 which is equal to 1024. So this will be my answer. So I hope you get the concept. If you like the concept,